Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share your Microsoft subscription. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, you will need to know that this is only possible on the family subscription. So all you will be able to do is to share your Microsoft 365 family subscription. And basically to do so, you will be able or you will need just to connect your account so you can share your subscription within your family members. You can do the same like by just having a family subscription and add the members that you want. So you will need to simply have them already in your family group, and then you will need just to share your subscription. So you can simply go to your account, that means your Microsoft account. You will need just to go to your profile, and from there you will be needing to go to subscription. And here I'm just going to click on this one and my Microsoft, and from here we will find subscription as the second choice, I think. And here you go to subscriptions. And basically, you will be needing to find your family subscription and you will find a share button there. So you will need just to go to it, and basically you will need just to select share. And basically, if you don't see the start sharing button, you may not be the owner of the Microsoft subscription. So you will be needing to be the owner of it. Then you can select email invites and then enter the email or the email of your family member and they invite them, and or you can simply click on create link and you can copy and paste that link. Otherwise, or the second thing you to do is to share your subscription with the family. So as we said, you will be needing just to go to subscription. You can go to manage so you can find it, and from there you will find like the sharing option, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.